I need to know how to fix a split system air conditioner.
If you have ductless split air conditioners, the AC is usually really small and located somewhere out of the way. You might want to make sure that the thing is not trapped next to the bed, snuggled in by the comforter while you swelter.
It is not a ductless system, and it is not that small.
For a split system, the condenser and compressor are in a metal cabinet outside.
And I know copper thieves did not steal it.
Make sure the refrigerant tubing and suction tubing are not pinched or leaking.
Nothing is obviously leaking water.
Make sure the unit is not set to fan only, no matter how low you set the thermostat.
I put that in the common sense category.
You'd be surprised how many HVAC calls are because someone did not turn the AC on while turning the fan on. And like full AC systems, a refrigerant leak or broken condenser will kill it.
I know a refrigerant leak can cause the unit to literally freeze.
That's sometimes harder to recognize in a split system. The split design also means the components are in two separate spaces, so you may not realize where the problem is.
The split system is still connected.
Yeah, and if the electrical connection got chewed through by a squirrel, the outer components die.
I know you can have ductwork and drains connecting them too.
You want to make sure the power conduit is not flooded with condensate. If the ducts and wiring are on the ground level or against the wall, make sure your gutter is not flooding it either.
That should not be an issue based on the design.
If you have a wireless thermostat, keep the indoor unit away from the Wi-Fi and wireless controller for the Xbox, so that the commands to turn down the thermostat are not interfered with by the other signals.
I've never heard of that one.
You also want to check the drain for the internal unit's condensate so it is not leaking into the AC. Otherwise you'll get electrical shorts.
If not, mold everywhere.
And check that everything is still installed flat and flush. Tilted units and broken connections can kill the electrical current it needs to run.
It sounds like anything that's wrong with it short of cleaning it, moving it or setting it right is going to require a pro.
Especially if it is not working right because they installed it wrong in the first place.